Hi, welcome to my best meditation chairs review. Are you looking for the meditation chairs? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top meditation chairs. This video, we share top 5 meditation chairs on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Friends of Meditation Buddha Bliss Meditation Chair. The main purpose of this meditation chair is to make meditation camps and satsang comfier. The product helps to promote good posture as well as offers fantastic back support thanks to the specially molded pull foam that comes along with it. Moreover, it aids in minimizing the stress of sitting in only one position while meditating. Having a seat size of 18 x 20 inches, this fully foldable chair will be able to fit anybody under 5'9". Number 4. Gaiam Rattan Meditation Chair. This product comes with a tall back support and has been designed for sitting over a prolonged period of time with legs crossed. The innovative extra thick 100% natural cotton padding, as well as spacious sitting area, makes the meditation experience an enjoyable one. Moreover, one can easily remove the cushion cover and the chair is likewise machine washable as well. Having a dimension of 34 by 25.5 by 19.5 inches, it has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. Number 3. Friends of Meditation Extra Large Relaxing Buddha Meditation. Being designed by an eminent yoga teacher named Swami Dayan Unmesh, this particular chair is helpful for individuals suffering from chronic back pain. Moreover, it is going to fit any individual whose height is below 6'2". This product was ranked number 1 meditation chair by WikiEsvid in the year 2016, and it helps to prevent numbness in the legs that might happen because of cross-leg posture. The chair is fully foldable and also comes with a complimentary waterproof bag. Having a seat size of 24 by 22 inches, its weight is approximately 5.2 kilograms. Number 2. Backjack Folding Meditation Chair. This one is a lightweight and easy to store meditation chair which can also be folded and carried anywhere you like. Apart from being extremely soft and comfy, this backpack chair is likewise quite resilient as well. It comes along with a robust steel zinc frame which consists of foam inside a durable 100% cotton cover. Having a dimension of 14 by 21 by 22.5 inches, the chair will provide you with dual positions for either reclining or sitting. Number 1. Alexia Meditation Seat. It is one of the most well-known meditation chairs on the planet at present. This ergonomically designed product will provide you with utmost relaxation as well as comfort while improving your posture as well. This chair is visually appealing thanks to its sleek design and can easily enhance the attraction of your room as well. Whether you would like to simply relax or watch your favorite TV program, this product from Alexia is going to be appropriate for you. I should fuck her in the Benz.